In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge reports on Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the report you want, launch the merge flow, and confidently choose which details to keep so your records stay clean and accurate. First, make sure you're signed in and on the home screen. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Reports section. This is where all of your expense reports live. If your workspace is busy, you might see quite a few items. That's okay. Click into Reports to view the full list and narrow it down. Use the search and filters at the top to quickly locate what you need. You can search by report name or keywords and adjust sorting so the newest items appear first. A quick tip: verify the status of the reports you're working with. If something has already been submitted, approved, or reimbursed, consider whether it should be merged before proceeding, so you don't disrupt any workflows. Once you see the report you want to use as your main report, click to open it. Inside the report, look for the More menu, usually represented by an overflow icon or a clearly labeled button, and select Merge. This opens the Merge tool, which helps you combine duplicates or closely related entries so you don't have overlapping data. On the Merge screen, select the matching item you want to merge with your current report. You'll typically see potential matches or be able to search for them. Choose the one that clearly corresponds. Matching dates, merchants, totals, or policy context are helpful clues. When you're confident in your selection, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to choose the details you want to keep. This is the most important part. You might see side-by-side fields like date, merchant, category, amount, receipt image, and description or comments. Pick the entries that are the most accurate and complete. For example, keep the version with the receipt attached, the correct currency, and the category that follows your company policy. Take a moment to compare carefully. A precise choice here saves cleanup later. When your selections look good, click. Continue to finalize the merge. Expensify will combine those details into a single tidy record within your report. You'll land back on the report view where you can quickly double-check the totals, attached receipts, and categories to confirm everything looks right. That's it. You've merged your report successfully. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow the same flow anytime you spot duplicates. Keeping your reports clean makes approvals faster and reimbursements smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.